Hello everyone, you are welcome to Mathematics Tour. In this lesson, I will discuss set theory and Venn diagram. There are 6 videos in this playlist. The first one is Introduction to Set Theory, Types of Sets, Set Notation, Introduction to Venn diagram, Shading a region in a Venn diagram, and the last one is Worked Examples. The current video is Introduction to Set Theory. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button before you. Click on the bell to receive notification anytime I upload a new video, and don't forget to share the link with your friends. Your subscription means a lot to me. Let's get started. What is a set? A set is a collection of objects that share a characteristic. So the set is given in uppercase. Take for instance, set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another one, set B is equals to A, B, C, and D. Okay, so the set is given in uppercase, just like the case of A and B. If you have the members to be letters, then it is expected of you to make use of lowercase, just like the case of the elements in set B. If an element is a member of a given set, then you make use of this notation. And if it does not belong to the set, then you make use of this notation. For example, 1 is a member or an element of set A, so we can write it in set notation as 1 is a member of set A. So similarly, 2 is a member of set A. You can go to set B. You can say the lowercase a is a member of set B, then lowercase c is a member of set B. So if a member or an element does not belong to a given set, then you can write it like this. For set A, you can say 6 is not a member of set A. Also, 7 is not a member of set A. Also, F is not a member of set B. And finally, G is not a member of set B. So that is how to indicate if a member or an element belongs to a set or not. So now the members of a given set. The members of a given set could be given in any of the following forms. It could be in listed form, or descriptive form, or in a set builder form. So it is very important for you to be conversant with this, as you are going to meet them in your questions. So the first one is the listed form. So in the listed form, the members will be given to you directly, just like the case of sets A and B. So the members of set A are listed for you. You have them to be 2, 4, 6, and 8, and you could refer to them as elements. So the elements of set B are listed for you. You have A, E, I, O, and U. So this is one way you could be given the members of a given set. Another way is the descriptive form. On the previous page, you saw this. This is a listed form. So in descriptive form, so you can write it as set A, then you make use of your curly brackets, then it's going to be set of even numbers less than 10. Okay, so it will be even so that will be the descriptive form of it. So set of numbers, set of even numbers less than 10, that is set A. Okay, so in this case you still have 2, 4, 6, 8 here. So which is the same thing as the listed form. And for set B, we can describe it as set of the English vowel letters. So that will be English vowel letters. So that is how you could write it in descriptive form. The next one is the set builder. For the set builder, you'll be given the set and its members like this. Okay, so take for instance, we have set A. Okay, so how do we read this? This is read like this. Set A is equals to all the values of x, such that is this column, such that x is an even number less than 10. This is the condition that breaks or that terminates the even numbers, otherwise it will continue forever. So that means we know that the values of x are even numbers and they are less than 10. So that means we're going to have 2 here, 4, 6 and 8. You can see is the same as the listed form. Similarly, for set B, we can write the set builder as this. Set B is the set of all the values of y, such that, that's the meaning of this column here, such that y is a vowel in the English alphabet. So that means we need the vowels in the English alphabet, and they are A, E, I, O and U. So that is the set B here. So we have 2 more here. We have set C. Set C is all the values of M such that M is an integer. So this is the first condition. Okay, so we are going to have all the set of integers here, but we have the second condition, which is this, where x is greater than 0 but less than 10. So that is between 1 and 9. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So that will be the elements in set C. Okay, so all the values of M such that M is an integer, so you only need the integers here. Okay, and the second condition is that it is between 0 and 10, where x is greater than 0 but less than 10. Okay, let's look into the last one. We have set D to be equals to all the values of n such that n is a member of the primes, that is the prime numbers. So this is the first condition. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and the likes. Okay, but we have the second condition. It must be between 10 and 20. That is, the value of x, which is a prime number, must be greater than 10 and less than 20. Okay, so if you have any challenge regarding types of numbers, you can go to my channel and look for a playlist titled Number Concepts. I have all these numbers explained there very well: prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, square numbers, cube numbers, factors of a number, integers, multiples of a number and the likes. They are well explained there. Okay, so here now we'll get the first prime number greater than 10. That will be 11, followed by 13. 14 is not a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. 16 is not a prime number. 17, 18 is not a prime number, and 19. So this will be the element of set D. This will be the end of this video. In the next video, I will discuss types of sets.